Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably heard about DramaWave, the app that promises to deliver premium Asian dramas, K-dramas, Chinese web shows, and exclusive content all in one place. With so many streaming services out there, DramaWave markets itself as a must-have for drama lovers. But is it really worth downloading in 2026? Is the library extensive? Is the app stable? And one question looms large. Does the subscription justify its cost? Today we'll dig into whether DramaWave is a streaming gem or just another niche platform that isn't ready for prime time. To give an honest verdict, I spent a month using DramaWave as my primary drama streaming app. I watched a mix of K-dramas, Chinese series, historical dramas, and new simulcast episodes. I measured video quality, app stability, subtitle accuracy, and playback performance across devices, phone, tablet, and web. I also surveyed people on drama community forums, reviewed user reviews, and compared content to major competitors. With real usage and community feedback, here's what DramaWave truly offers in 2026. DramaWave claims to provide a huge library of Asian dramas, KC historical fantasy, new episodes available soon after airing in Asia, high-quality video streaming, HD, sometimes 4K, reliable, accurate subtitles, a clean, ad-free interface, affordable subscription with flexible plan options. The pitch sounds perfect for drama fans, but does it deliver? Step 1. Content library. DramaWave does have a large selection. Current K-dramas, classic Chinese titles, and even rare web dramas. However, it doesn't always have every new release. Some highly anticipated series are delayed by a few days, meaning fans may still need another app for first-run viewing. The catalogue skews towards certain genres, which is great if you love historical or romance dramas, but less ideal for contemporary or niche categories. Step 2. Video quality. On good internet connections, DramaWave streams smoothly in HD. Video clarity and bitrate are solid, but 4K is rare and limited to only a few select titles. Compared to bigger platforms, DramaWave's video is more than decent, but not groundbreaking. Step 3. Subtitles and language support. Subtitle quality is strong, well synchronized and professionally translated in English. I didn't encounter many typos or awkward phrasing. The app also supports multiple subtitle languages, making it a good choice for international users. That said, some older web dramas had slightly inconsistent subtiming or missing episode summaries. Step 4. App stability and experience. The user interface is clean, minimal, and focused purely on streaming. However, a few issues emerged: app crashes when switching episodes or resuming, occasional buffering, especially during high traffic hours, and a few playback glitches when using offline downloads. Still, for many users, the experience feels polished enough for regular viewing. Step 5. Subscription and pricing. DramaWave offers a subscription. The price is lower than some global giants, but higher than small niche streaming apps. For drama fans who binge regularly or watch multiple episodes per week, the subscription feels worth it. For casual viewers who only watch once in a while, the cost is harder to justify. The app sometimes offers trial periods, but those may not be long enough to binge a full series. Step 6. Offline viewing. DramaWave's download feature works, but is not flawless. Downloads are smooth, but on some devices they take longer than expected. Also, limiting factors like storage space or download quality options make the offline experience less flexible than larger mainstream apps. Step 7. Limitations and risks. Some users report geo-restriction issues. Certain shows are locked depending on region, which can be frustrating. Content licensing is another risk. Shows might come and go if the app loses rights, which is common in niche streaming platforms. Finally, relying on a single app for Asian drama means if DramaWave stops licensing a show you love, there might not be a second option. So is DramaWave worth downloading in 2026? Yes, if you are a dedicated fan of K-dramas, Chinese dramas, or web dramas, watch many episodes consistently, want a reasonably priced, focused streaming app, care about good subtitles and good video quality. No, if you watch dramas casually or infrequently, prefer apps with ultra-wide catalogues and major blockbusters, need flawless offline downloads, don't want to risk losing access to shows due to licensing. Bottom line, DramaWave is a great niche app for drama lovers. It offers a strong selection, solid streaming, and a purpose-built experience. But it's not the all-in-one streaming platform for everyone. If this review helped you decide whether DramaWave is worth installing, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We dive into the most practical and niche apps every week, so you always know what's worth your download.